Emergency management reported water over roadways and several vehicles flooded after thunderstorms produced heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing. Interstate 20 westbound at the Hill Street ramp is also flooded out. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Emergency management reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Decatur, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Midtown, Druid Hills, Candler McAfee, Sweet Auburn, Turner Field, Little Five Points, Virginia Highland, Kirkwood, Piedmont Park, and Panthersville. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Beware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to